A godsend.
A godsend? Thank you. Hey, Facebook, just to show you guys the other side of Truman Steamers. We was out here last Thursday, for Miss Rosie. She was a referral from one of her neighbors. We cleaned the carpets and the hardwood floors. Everything looks amazing. I did tell Miss Rosie, I said, Miss Rosie, if you have any stains that went back, give us a call. She gave me a call. I told her I would come out one day this week. So we just stopped by. So you can see we got some wicking right here. So we're just basically going to treat those. And then also downstairs. But overall, I would tell you guys, and Miss Rosie is standing right here with me. Overall, Miss Rosie.
99%. Yeah.
99%.
You just have to make it 100 now.
Yes, ma'am. So guys, overall, these carpets came out great. And if you go back last week on the in the videos and look at the hardwood floors, and this is one thing I love when customers call me back or I get the opportunity to come back and see my work. The hardwood floors, and Miss Rosa, that even looked a little better than what it was. That water damage. Yeah. But we also cleaned the hardwood floors for Miss Rosie, and the floors look amazing. And then also we did these floors right here too, which also look great. So she's very happy with the services. And then right here, and guys, just look at the carpets. And this is a week later, okay? This is a week later. So you can see the results of a week later. Now, of course, she hasn't walked on the, used the carpet because she's moving out. And the carpets are so nice and soft. And then this is the other area right here. As you can see, I don't know if you got
that was heavily stained before.
That was very heavily stained. So again, guys, this is just some wick back. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that today for Miss Rosie. And like I say, if you have, and also we got some right here, and right here. And then other than that, guys, the carpets look great. I mean, they came out beautiful. So again, just want to show you guys this, because again, we do guarantee our work, and we also let customers know if they have any issues with wicking, give us a call back. All we have to do is come by. We don't have to pull our machines out or pull any more hoses out. We just have to put an oxidizer on those areas, and that oxidizer should reverse that staining out of the fibers. All right, well, Miss Rosie, thank you again. So we're going to go ahead and take care of this for you. And I'm glad you're happy because that makes me happy.
Okay.
All righty.
Go for it.
All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Guys, so just give you a demonstration of what we're doing. So I've already treated those stains right there. I was just telling Miss Rosie, give about a day to fully dry. And what it's going to do, again, is basically reduce those stains from the top of the fibers. So DeAndre is treating those. And again, this is the same stuff that we also sell to our customers. I'll spray some right there, DeAndre. See right there? Right here? Yeah, those little areas. Okay.
And this is fine right here?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yep, you can see how it's just taken it away already. See how much better that looks, Miss Rosie?
Yeah. Upstairs, I haven't looked.
Go take a look upstairs.
Okay.
All right, he's doing just basically using the bottle to.
And I think there's a stain here too.
Right there?
Just,
Yeah, okay.
Right where your footprint, somebody's footprint was.
So you see how much better that looks, guys? Right there. I'm also going to spray some right here. But yeah, that's all we have to do. So again, if you have this issue, do not hesitate to give us a call back. Better?
It is better.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. That's all we have to do. So that's why I tell you, anytime, we probably, being realistic, well, it depends on the time of the season. Let's say during our busy season, if we're doing like, let's say 25 to 30 jobs a week, we probably get maybe about 2 to 3 of these a week. And it's normal. It's called wicking. Yeah. Okay. And most, and the thing about it is that's why we let customers know if they have this issue, it's okay to call us back, because you'll be surprised how many people might not call you back and you never know. So it's just, but yeah, that looks so much better.
No, it was just the bedroom. That,
Yep.
And this,
Yep.
This looks like it's gonna take care of it.
Yes, ma'am. Yep, this came out really good. All right, guys. Thanks again.